Dead zones no more? HiBoost car signal booster puts 5G bars on the map. Stuck with 1 bar or no bar while driving? Your phone signal keeps cutting out mid-call, your hotspot won't load directions, and your boss is wondering why your Zoom audio sounds like a dying robot. Whether you're commuting through patchy service zones or off-roading in signal deserts, poor reception in your vehicle isn't just annoying, it's a straight-up productivity killer. You're left helpless, frustrated, and totally disconnected when you need it most. And don't even start with relying on spotty GPS when you're in the middle of nowhere. You paid for a 5G phone, yet your car still feels like 1999. Rude. Let's be real. Weak signal while traveling isn't a tiny issue, it's a silent saboteur. You're juggling deadlines, trying to stay connected, maybe even running your business from the driver's seat, and then boom, no bars. Texts don't send. Maps freeze. Clients vanish. Family freaks out. You've got mobile burnout, and it's creeping into every mile you drive. Those flaky calls and snail-slow data speeds? They're costing you time, money, and sanity. Why live like that when your ride could be fully juiced with pro-level signal all the way through your route? Enter the HiBoost car cell signal booster, the 50 decibel game changer. This beast doesn't just kinda help, it flips the script. With high-power signal gain, a magnetic outside antenna tough enough for off-roading, and a dead simple app that shows real-time stats, you're never left in the dark. Whether you're in a van, pickup, SUV, or sedan, it cranks up your cell bars like magic, radio frequency magic. It's 5G and 4G LTE compatible with all US carriers, so you and your passengers stay connected no matter the network. Bonus? It actually looks cool too, minimalist, rugged, and designed for real-world road warriors. Say goodbye to signal dead zones and hello to uninterrupted connection. From emergency calls to streaming Spotify while cruising the Rockies, HiBoost makes mobile life feel buttery smooth. No tools needed for setup, and its heat-dissipating shell means it won't crap out in the heat. Plus, it's waterproof, dustproof, and built to actually stay put on your roof. Whether you're road tripping cross-country or dodging meetings in a parking lot, this device has your back. Want a productivity boost on wheels? Hit that link below and see it in action. Act fast, these sell out like Wi-Fi at a music festival. With 3 years of pro support, killer reviews, and FCC approval, the HiBoost car booster isn't just hype, it's the road-tested solution drivers swear by. Stop gambling with your signal and start owning it. Limited stock alert. Don't wait till you're stranded with no service mocking you from your screen. Join thousands of connected commuters, road warriors, and digital nomads. Click now, plug in, and feel the bars rise like magic. You're just one install away from mobile freedom. Secure yours today. Drive smarter. Boost louder. Stay connected.